Hello friends, what is the new topic today? It's LCM, which stands for least or lowest common multiple. Shall we have a quick recap to understand this topic better? What are multiples? Multiples of a number are obtained by multiplying the number with whole numbers. Whole numbers as in 1, 2, 3. So multiples of 2 would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and so on. Multiples of 7 here would be like this. Okay. LCM of 2 or more numbers. To say finding the LCM of 4, 6 and 12 is to Step 1. Find the multiples of 4, 6 and 12. Step 2. Find the multiples from step 1 that are common between the numbers. Step 3. Find the multiple from step 2 that is least or lowest among all of them. Let's get started. Step 1. Finding the multiples of 4, 6 and 12 would be like this. Multiples of 4 and we write it down. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 48, so on. Multiples of 6 would be like this. Right? And then comes multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72 and so on. Now we execute the step 2, which is finding the multiples from step 1 that are in common. What do we see? 12 happens to be the common multiple. Then what is the next one? 24. Yes, that too is a common multiple. And we can find further common multiples, which are going to get higher and higher. Finally, step 3. We have to find the least among all these multiples that are in common between 4, 6 and 12. It's not 48, it's not 36, it's not 24. 12 is the least or the lowest among them. And so, 12 is the LCM of 4, 6 and 12. Got it? Oh, finding multiple of bigger numbers would be tough, right? I have to keep on writing the multiples. If only there was an easier way to solve this. Of course there is. LCM by factorization method. Let's see how to do this. So we write down 4, 6 and 12. Separated by commas, and we start factorizing these three numbers together, starting with the smallest prime factor that can divide any of them. Let's start with 2 in this case. And when we factorize all these three numbers, this is the residue we get. 2, 3 and 6 respectively. The residue of factorizing goes to the next step like we see, and then we continue the factorization. Again with 2. But this time, the numbers 2 and 6 will be divisible by 2, but 3 won't be. And so this is the result of this step. 1, 3, 3 respectively. If the prime factor doesn't divide a number further, leave it as it is. Like 3 in this step is not divisible by 2, hence 3 stays. Now next step is, when the given numbers are no more divisible by this prime factor, which is 2, we start factorizing with the next higher prime number that applies. In this case, the next higher prime factor is 3. And this is the result. till all the numbers in the final step become 1. Now no more further factorization would be possible, right? Great. The LCM now is a product of all the prime factors required to factorize these numbers simultaneously. So it would be 2 into 2 into 3, and that's why you get 12. 12 is the LCM of 4, 6 and 12. And we got the same result here too. Good job. Right. I think this is an easier method for higher numbers. Yes.